What's up? This is Angry Tom channel. Finally, I add like another rig, like 5 of the GPU, okay, 3080s, and it is right here. Look at all the beautiful GPU. It's only like 5 of them. I know it's kind of messy, but I have to do it quick because I don't have a lot of time. And alright, this is the yesterday one, the 6 GPU. As you can see, this is the temperature. Right, 33. It used to be like 30 without AC. Now that I put like one more rig with the 5 GPU, it's going up to 3 degrees. I use like 1, 2, and 3 fans only. Okay, so let's see the rig one here. It says 930 watts, but in fact it is 1127 watts. Okay, all right, so this is 930 plus the fans. It's supposed to be like 1006 watt, but it says like 1127 on the wall, right? Check it out. How what's the watts? See, it's around 78. So you got to check out your watt meter. All right, you got to check out your watt meter and check so you can calculate the cost. Okay, the other one is like 1151, but when I check it out downstairs, check out my other rig. It is crazy. It's like 1532 watts instead of. This is for 6 GPU with 2 fans, I guess. So basically 1530, 12, so 1530 and 1129. Let's calculate. So it is around 2287 watts. Alright, so this is how we calculate your watts. And then if you have any other like fans, if it is not plugged into the same power source, then you got to add it up. Okay, in my case, I have to add 78 watts for the other fan. Then you plug it into here. Okay, 2365. What the heck, just put like 2400. Alright, and then the cost of electricity is 0.1, 0.9 fees, and the hash rate, we can take a look here, is around 67. Okay, I'll just put 67. Okay, 67, and then calculate it, and I'll arrive at 110 dollar a month. Okay, that's what I get. Okay, and here's is the Hero Miner. It is said that I'm earning monthly 273 bucks before the electricity, and then the electricity is around 172 bucks. So it's not a bad return, but it's not high enough. But I'm gonna be convinced in Pyrin because Kaspa, because this is a Kaspa fork, and the Kaspa itself is actually being bought by the Asics. Okay, look at all this Asic miner. They're mining fucking Kaspa. Look at that. You know, it used to be GPU, and then now it's Kaspa. I don't know why it said Asic Resistant. This is really important, guys, because look at the chart. Look at the Kaspa chart. Look at that. You know, this is Kaspa, right? Look at the chart. Oh my goodness, has been like going up. You know, from 0.000537 all the way to 13 cents. This is like 0.13 cents. I mean, 13 cents, right? This is crazy, you know. And I do believe that Pyrin will go up the same. If you check out the Pyrin, well, Pyrin is still new, right? So this is how the price looks like, and I believe it will still go up. Okay, because of the inflationary nature. Do you know Kaspa has like total supply of 28.7 billion, while Pyrin has like only 1 billion. Kaspa might be at the 40 rank in the market cap, but the Pyrin is only on the 2677. Kaspa used to be like a lot lower rank too, but look at the value. It's like 1 billion. You know, that's why the price is higher, 0.07. Okay, and another reason why you should mine Pyrin, because it's the most profitable for NVIDIA GPU. See, look at this, all this GeForce, right? RTX 4090. Look at Pyrin 4080. Pyrin, look at this, 4080, 4070 Ti, all Pyrin. Look at that. So Pyrin might be the future, might go mainstream, not for Radeon, okay, for 3090. See, it's not bad. It's like 1.08, 1.11. So all this RTX are compatible with Pyrin. Even your old GPU like mine, like 2080 Ti, it's Pyrin too. 3080 like mine. Okay, there's a Pyrin here, 0.88. Okay, you don't wanna like mining Bitcoin Gold because it's not mainstream yet. And the Pyrin price is pretty strong, around 7.5 cents. And as you can see here, hold on. And actually, Kaspa is #1 mining on the hero miners. Okay, well, Pyrin is only like, I don't know, number 5, 6, or 7, something like that. I'm gonna show you the graph after this. It's in my phone, so I can't record it. I have to do separate videos. Trying to do a solo mining, but it doesn't work. Okay, so that's what would you have if you have 67 gigahertz. And this is what I have. I've been paid 135, equal to $10 within this almost 3 days. Okay, that's the speed. Sometimes it goes up. I don't know why. It's supposed to be like 67 bytes, but it goes up. But it's fine. Okay. So this is that I've been paying within these 3 days. Okay. I promise you, hero miners, the pool that I used to mine a Pyrin coin, look at that. #1 is Severe, and then Kaspa. So if you go to analytics, Severe is the most mined, and then Kaspa #2. Okay, and as you can see, Pyron is number 4, 5. Okay, number 6. I think this one is gonna go to the second or the third. I don't know about Severe, but if you can see, like Kaspa is like 20%, and then Monero, I can't believe like Monero being mined, and then Bitcoin, I don't know, but ETH is only like 3 ETC maybe. So you can see Kaspa is the #1 coin that is being mined, but in this hero miner, most of them mining Severe. I don't know what the fuck is Severe. So basically, if you have an NVIDIA, you should mine the profitable one, which I think in my opinion is Pyrin at this time. Okay, so look at this statistic. You can see all the NVIDIA are using this Pyrin. Look at that, Pyrin. All that yellow stuff that I put, this is all the VGA. Okay, so all the old GPU 2020 to even to the 2018 to 2080 Ti can still mine Pyrin profitably. Look at this profit. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and stay strong and question everything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, great weekend too. Bye bye.